Just a few years ago, we were stupid short for retirement. I was personally working full time, so was my husband. I had grandkids that I wanted to have fun with. I had a fear that retirement was never actually going to feel safe because we just didn't have enough. Like, does that sound familiar? So, if you've ever thought, I don't know even where to start, I am not good with technology, or I've tried things before and they just didn't work out for me, Wendy. Well, that was me too, like completely me. This video was made for you because today I'm going to walk you through the exact journey. The things that I tried, the things that didn't work, the thing that I almost did that would have cost me thousands, and how I ended up running my entire business in about 5 hours a week, generating over $108,000 last month. And before we get into it, I put together a free PDF. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It is the exact roadmap that I personally used to go from completely stuck to where I am today. You can grab that in the description below. So here's where my story actually starts. And I think it's going to sound very familiar to you. A few years ago, I knew something had to change. We were stupid short for retirement. I could see the numbers weren't adding up. And I kind of knew where things were headed if I kept down the same path. I'd be working well past 75 or 80 just to survive. And that's not the plan I had for my life. So I started trying things, a bunch of things. And before I even knew making money online was even a possibility, I was doing the home party thing, network marketing. I sold life insurance for a while. You name it, I probably did it. And then one day I discovered that there was actually a way to make money in the online space. And that really intrigued me because it's something that I could do from literally anywhere, which was a goal of mine. I honestly didn't even know something like that existed. So the very first thing I started with was a high ticket MLM. That's multi-level marketing. And I literally lost the shirt off my back, so to speak. Like, it was not good. Then I discovered affiliate marketing, which honestly, it's great. And I still use it today. But back then it gave me what I call date money. A little bit here, a little bit there. It was very inconsistent. So by this point, I had tried a bunch of things. Some worked a little, and some cost me more money than I cared to admit. And none of it was adding up to the kind of retirement income that I actually wanted. I knew that making money online was real because I did it with the affiliate thing. I just hadn't found the right way to do it to make bigger money. Then I discovered what I'm doing now. And that's when everything started to shift for me. I needed something that could fit into the pockets of my day. Like, I had those beautiful grandkids. I was working full time. I didn't have hours and hours to pour into learning something brand new. I needed something that was flexible, and I needed it to be as easy as possible for my 55-year-old brain. like, don't get me wrong. I am not afraid of hard work. I am a big believer in learning, actually, but I needed it to be simple and step by step. I could follow instructions. And what I found next, I almost talked myself out of it because of, those failures, but I'm so glad I didn't. So let me show you. While I was exploring my options, I came across ads for colleges and universities that were offering digital marketing courses. And I thought, oh, okay, that looks interesting. 10-week boot camp, Google Ads, Meta Ads, SEO, email marketing. And I compared that to the e-learning program that I ended up going with. Now, I'm not going to walk you through every single detail of that comparison, but here's what mattered most to me. I've been to college before. 3 years, way back when dinosaurs roamed the earth. And I know exactly how it works, right? You show up to a classroom, you sit through the semester, and at the end of it, you walk away with a certificate or a diploma or information and knowledge. And then you're the one who has to go and figure it out, actually, how to put it into use to make money and grow business. Well, compare that to what I actually went with, like that e-learning program. So what I wanted was to learn from somebody who had their boots on the ground, so to speak, who was actually in their business and doing the thing every single day. They already had success, and who could teach me from their success what actually was working right now and keep me up to date on things that changed. And when I found that, I thought, yes, that's it. That is what I wanted. Now, I made my decision based on what I had experienced before, right? My past. It taught me what I liked, what I didn't like, what I needed going forward. And this educational program I took, it checked all those boxes for me. So in February of 2024, that is when I started with this e-learning program. It fit into my day in a way that nothing else ever had. Like, this is how I structured things. I could listen to the training while I was driving to work because I had about a half an hour commute. I could implement something on my lunch break. I could hop on a live coaching call in the evening instead of watching TV because I got so excited about learning these crazy skills about making money online that TV genuinely stopped being interesting to me. I know that kind of sounds strange, but when something is actually changing your life or you're excited about, you want to keep going. And it kind of fuels the fire inside of you. And here's the part that made all the difference. This program came with a business already attached to it. Yes, it's called Master Resell Rights. So in plain English, you purchase the educational program, you learn the skills of digital marketing and everything else that comes with it. And once you are certified, you have the actual rights to resell the exact same education and keep 100% of the profit. Not a commission, not a split, 100% is yours. So my return on investment came back after my very first sale. The skills that I learned in this program didn't apply to just the program. I now use those exact skills for my own digital products, my affiliate income, my YouTube channel, my memberships. Every income stream that I have was built on that foundation. You learn the marketing once and you apply it to everything that you will ever build. And I want to show you exactly what 2.5 years of applying that looks like, because these numbers are generally mind-blowing and they totally shocked me. So stay with me. So here's where that one decision has taken me. It has been 2.5 years, and in that time, I've gone on to make well over 7 figures, closer to multiple 7 figures now. Crazy. Like last month, I said I made that 108,000. The month before that, 105,000. It is generally mind-blowing. And that, my friend, is what happens when you learn from somebody who is actually doing it actively in their business, keeping you up to date with what is working right now in the online space. That is the difference. You get live coaching and mentorship. So you have a roadmap. So let me tell you what I actually learned from this program, because this is where it all comes from. Digital marketing, which simply means marketing in a digital space. How you grow on social media, how you build an audience of people who actually trust you, how to multiply your income streams by adding in affiliate marketing, layering in monthly reoccurring affiliate income alongside one-time affiliate income, different layers stacking on top of the other. I learned UGC content, and that means user-generated content. How to make money from brand deals, membership income, money that shows up every single month, whether I post that week or not. How to create my own digital products, which I've done and I still do. And there's so much more that I've learned from this program. But here's the thing that nobody warns you about, and I wish somebody had told me this at the very beginning. And honestly, it's mindset. Because you have to go from an employee mindset to an entrepreneurial mindset. You might think that sounds simple. Like, it's a real shift. You have to actually show up for your business because you become the boss. And you being the boss is a totally different thing. But the training is there to help you in every single one of these areas to grow whatever it is you want to grow in the online space. It's really not a one size fits all. It's the whole education laid out. You kind of pick and choose your own adventure in the online space. Which road do you want to take? And we give you the proven roadmap to do it. So let's look at where some of that actually shows up. Now, I want to be clear about something first. Those numbers that you just saw, those crazy 6 figures in a month numbers, that is digital product income only. Some products I created myself, a big chunk of that money came from products that I didn't even create. That's the MRR program at work. Products already pre-built, already proven, 100% profit is mine. But get this, those numbers don't even include my membership income. That does not include all of my affiliate income, and that does not include any YouTube AdSense. This is just one piece of the puzzle. So what I'm about to show you next is completely separate income on top of all those numbers. It doesn't overlap it stacks on top. So that membership income comes in every single month like clockwork. Just like your reoccurring bills come in, right? Except now you're on the receiving end. There's affiliate income. And here's the quick story here because it shows you exactly what building an email list can do. There's an amazing young mom who created an incredible video editing program, and I use it a lot in my video making. And people consistently ask me, Wendy, how did you do that? So I promote it as an affiliate course because I generally love it. Recently, she ran a 50% off sale for only 48 hours. I sent out one email to my list, I posted it in my community, and I made over 1,200 Canadian dollars in 48 hours. That is the power of an email list, to sending it to people who trust you. Okay, let's talk about YouTube for a second, shall we? Which literally pays me to post videos. This past month alone, YouTube paid me $4,759.30 just for posting videos on top of everything else. A video I posted 6 months ago is still earning me income today. I post less and I make more. One video a week, that is my entire strategy. And if you want to see how to grow your own YouTube channel, then you're going to want to grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit. It's in the description below. It literally walks you through exactly how I built my channel from zero to what it is today. Okay, here's the question I know you've been sitting there since the very first line of this video. Wendy, 5 hours a week. How is that possible? Let me show you exactly what my week looks like. I post one video a week on YouTube. You can look at the dates. That is my entire content strategy. I spend about 1 hour, maybe an hour and a half on scripting my videos. Then about 30 minutes filming them and about an hour and a half or more editing and publishing. Sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less, and then a little here and there throughout the week, replying to emails, responding to comments. That adds up to about 5 hours. And that's it. And the rest of my week, it belongs to me and my grandkids having fun. Now, I do love to learn, and that's just who I am, and it opens doors to other opportunities that we didn't even know about yet. But here's my style. I pop it into my life. Instead of carving out extra time for it, walking the dog, I've got a training in my ears. Folding laundry, same thing. Driving somewhere, got it on learning mode. It just becomes part of how you move throughout your day. And that, my friend, is completely sustainable. This is possible because I am not manually doing the heavy lifting in this business. I've set up automated email sequencing. I have sales funnels running while I'm doing literally everything else in my life. Like while I was at the water park with my grandkids, it was running. While I was having a slow morning with my cup of tea, my business was running. While I'm sleeping, it's running. I got to tell you, it did not start out 5 hours a week. So don't get me wrong here. I started out in the pockets of my day. So while I was working my full-time job, I did a little bit on lunch breaks, sometimes early mornings, evenings, on Zoom calls instead of Netflix. But because the system was already built for me, because I wasn't starting from scratch, it came together faster than I ever expected. So now it's about 20 hours a month, my friend. 20 hours, and that's what's generating this income. So if you're curious and you want to see the full roadmap on how all of this connects, then you're going to want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. You can nab it in the description below. Now, before I let you go, I want to address something directly because I know some of you are thinking, Wendy, this sounds amazing, but I'm too old. I'm not techie enough. I've been burned before. Let me tell you something. I genuinely believe being over 50 is not a disadvantage at all online. It is one of your greatest advantages. We have something that no 20-year-old influencer has: life experience, real credibility. And the most successful people that I know in this online space did not start off young. They started off determined. Because if this 57-year-old grandma from Ontario can retire at 55 and generate this crazy income working 20 hours a month, my friend, why not you? And here's what I want you to take away today. A few years ago, I had tried a bunch of things. I'd lost some money. Today, I'm sitting here over 2.5 years into that decision that has grown into a multiple 7-figure business running from my phone in 5 hours a week from wherever I want to be in this world, not because I'm special, but because I said yes to learning from the right education from somebody who was actually doing it. And I stayed consistent. And I think about that university course sometimes. I really, really do. What if I had chosen that instead? Getting myself a certificate, no business attached, no blueprint, no community, starting over completely alone, trying to figure out what to do with it. I'm really glad I didn't. That's plain and simple how I built this business. So if any of this resonated with you and you want to learn more about the same educational program that I took, then grab that Freedom Formula Blueprint. You can watch the free class, understand how it can work for you. I want you to have the full picture, and then you can decide. There's no pressure, just real information from someone who has been exactly where you are. You were made for more, and your time is right now. If you want to know how I used this exact business to make over $650,000 in my very first year, then you're going to want to watch this video right here where I kind of take you on that journey. I will see you over there, my friend.